Go ahead. What did you get in your hair?
I got breadcrumbs in my hair.
It's all right. Mediterranean cod. This is going to become your new favorite summer weeknight dinner.
Yeah.
I'm here with Karina. You want to help
Yes.
show Griddle Nation how to make this?
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
First things first, down here in Plant City, I picked up some fresh cod loins. We're gonna oil them up on both sides. Karina, can you add a little bit of salt and pepper to that?
Let's add the salt, some pepper. Ooh, this is gonna taste so good.
Both sides. Now, we're gonna put that aside just for a second, jump over to what makes this Mediterranean. Into a bowl, we're gonna dice up a red onion. I'll take charge of that while you grab that parsley.
How do you want this chopped up, Betty?
You can do it nice and rough. It doesn't matter. This is all going in together. I'm not particular on this. Now next, we've got some of my favorite sugar bomb grape tomatoes. We're gonna half these up if you could help me.
You want me to throw these into the bowl too?
Yep, right into the bowl. They go. Now I've got some fresh garlic, which I love garlic. We're gonna take 3 cloves, big ones, grate them in. Now our olives, we've got some
Castelvetrano.
and Kalamata.
Are you guys sure?
I cannot say the name of either for the life of me.
It sounds right to us.
We want to drain off the juice. Now we've got a lemon. Can you squeeze half of the lemon juice into that bowl? Season it up with Tuscan herb, garlic powder, oregano. Karina, get crazy and drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil.
Say less, girl. Let's pour it up.
And a little splash of red wine vinegar. Now we're gonna mix everything up. Our griddle is nice and hot. We're gonna start with our cod just for a minute or two on one side, then flip them, slide them aside, let them hang out on one zone that has no heat. Now it's time to drop down all of those olives, tomatoes, onions.
I would eat it just like this. This smells so good already.
We're just warming everything. I want those onions to stay nice and tender. I'm gonna make a few little divots, wells, holes, something to put our fish back in to marry this dish together over the top with a little bit more lemon juice.
Just how I like it.
You like it lemony?
I love it. Tangy. I love it.
All right, let's plate this up onto a big family style platter, of course. Our fish goes on top for presentation. We'll garnish it with a little bit of lemon wedges for people to squeeze on. And now the only thing left to do is, I eat everything with bread. We got some bread from Florida. Not my favorite, but this is how I would serve this at home. Rip it, tear it. Feel how hard that is.
That is
Rip it up for me. Rip it up. We're just gonna slop up the
yeah.
juices with that. Ask everybody to come in here, take a bite. Joelle, Todd, who else?
Come on in, guys.
James,
Oh
come
my
on, come eat.
You guys are gonna eat all of it
Oh,
without
you
me.
want some?
Yeah.
Come on in, Nate.
We're doing the Mediterranean. The olives are my favorite.
I was just gonna say I love these olives and I can't get it.
This and a glass of wine. I think it's time to wrap this day up. Cheers. Thank you guys for joining us on Family Style. You better check out Karina's show, Nate's show. Are you still doing a show?
So
James on the UK channel.
hi.
Joelle behind the camera. Todd, of course, has his show. And Ethan, I'm glad,
Hello.
I'm glad this is another meal that you enjoyed. You guys gonna take this, make it. You guys love it?
love it.
100%.
Kind of enjoy
It's
wine.
happening.
Yes. Let's
Thank
do
you,
it.
Karina.
Cheers.
I don't know if I was going.